Hi everybody, it's Jenny here from Angel Handmade Papercraft. Today I am working with Beebee Craft. So you may have seen my haul video a few weeks ago. I was very lucky to have received a few products from these guys. So today I will be using some of their star sequins that I received. So first off, I'm just going to quickly start putting all of the card together and then we will bring the sequins in. So I'm using a stamp set from my favorite things called Cute Chemists. I couldn't find my die, so I did actually fussy cut this little guy out, and I'm also using one of the sentiments from the set. So I'm going to be using You Make My Heart Go Boom, and I'm just stamping it out onto some black cardstock just using my Ink on 3 embossing ink, some white, superfine white Ranger embossing powder, and just heating that up using my heat tool. I did also prepare that cardstock beforehand using my powder tool. You need to make sure that you use that when you're doing embossing. So here I am, I've just run the Hearts Entwined die from my favorite things through my Big Shot, and I did add some Helmar spray adhesive to the back, and I've glued that down onto some, this is actually a laminate pouch. I couldn't find any of my vellum, so I did use this instead. It's still going to work the same, it's not a big deal. So I'm just adhering all of that together. I also did run this die through with some red foam, and I've adhered that to the back to give it the thickness. And I'm just popping in some of those sequins into each of the sections of the heart. These sequins are just, oh my god, so adorable. So I'm very, very excited to be putting this little card together. It turned out gorgeous, and I'm super, super proud of this one. So putting all that together, I'm going to add some adhesive to the back. This is just some foam glue from Helmar Adhesives. I will have it all linked up. I'm just laying my card base straight down onto the die so I can adhere everything together, and then just working my way through. So I'm just bannering up that sentiment just using my EK Success Cutter Bee scissors. What else did I use on this card? I also did use some of the acid-free adhesive from Helmar just to add some of these layers together, and I've added some foam tape underneath that sentiment because obviously the right hand side was sitting up a little bit higher. And then I'm going to add some foam to the right hand side of my image, and then just some liquid adhesive to the left hand side of him. So it was a nice quick card for you today. So I'm just going to add in some black layers of where those hearts don't overlay each other. I just thought it would just add a little bit of detail to it, so that finished it off. And just adding on some little gold diamantes. I just had them in my stash. They weren't in packaging or anything, so I do apologize. I have no links for those. This is my card all complete, so I thank you for watching. Please head over to the Beebee Craft shop. I will have all of those links below my video and also on my blog post. Thanks for watching. Bye.